Okay students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. Today we are going to see the reaction of phenols. Now students, we have the phenols. Now we are going to react the phenol with other reagent like bromine, dilute HNO3. The first reaction students of phenols, first we have the phenols reaction. This is the phenol structure students. There is benzene and OH hydroxyl group. So this is the phenol. Now students, this phenol now we are going to react with bromine. We are going to react this phenol with bromine. This is the bromine students in carbon disulfide as a solvent. Now what happens students? Which product you are going to get students? The phenol will convert into ortho and para bromophenol. Again you have to write down the structure of phenol because students here the bromination will take place. Bromination. The bromination means bromine is going to be added to the phenols. So this is first to write down again the structure of phenol. This is the phenol. Add the ortho. You know students, this is ortho position, the meta position. This is the para position. At ortho positions there will be the bromine will attached, and at para position. So bromine is going to be attached at ortho and para position. So it is the product which we are getting, that is called as what? Ortho and para bromophenol. So phenol is converted into ortho para bromophenol. This is the reaction, bromination reaction, which is taking place in presence of carbon disulfide solvent. Now students, again bromination we are going to see how in presence of water. Second reaction of phenol, again students, this is the structure of phenol. This is the structure of phenol. Now students, again the bromination is taking place. We are adding bromine in presence of water. Aqueous solution we are using. Again the bromination is taking place. Bromination will take place. Now which product students you are going to get? Again write down the structure. This is the phenol, you know students, this is the phenol. Now this bromination is going to be taking place. That means bromine will attach to the phenol. That is why we call as bromination. So once again write down the structure of phenol. OH group will be as it is. This is now bromination will take place at, you know, this is the first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. At the carbon number 2 bromine is going to be attached. Carbon number 4 and carbon number 6. The product which we are getting, that is called as students 2, 4, 6, because three bromines are going to be attached. So it is called as what? Tribromophenol. This is the product. So here the students bromination in presence of water. So we are getting the product 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Now students, third reaction of bromine we are going to get students. Third reaction students, you have the structure of phenol like this. This is the phenol structure. Phenol students, we are adding to this phenol, we are adding students dilute HNO3, nitric acid. Now what happens students? You are getting here the nitration will take place. Again that nitration means nitro group is going to be attached to the phenol. Nitration. So you once again write down the structure. OH group will be as it is. Nitration where it will take place. This is ortho position, NO2, and this is the para position. So students, the product which we are getting, that is called as what? Ortho and para nitrophenol. So this is the third reaction of phenols. So from phenol we are getting, when you are adding dilute HNO3, you get ortho and para nitrophenol. Now students, now fourth reaction students we are going to see. Fourth reaction students, phenol is there students. This is the phenol. We are adding concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid solution, and we have to heat it. You will get picric acid. Here the also nitration is taking place because we are using a concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid. So this phenol is going to be make picric acid, is converted into picric acid. Now here again students, OH will be as it is, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, which is also called as picric acid. Picric acid. This is the picric acid. Now students, fifth reaction students of phenol is, again we have phenol. This is the structure of the phenol. Now in this phenol students, we are going to add only the concentrated sulfuric acid. This concentrated sulfuric acid we are adding at 293 Kelvin. Here this is very important students. So you will get orthophenol sulfuric acid. We are going to get here the sulfonation reaction will take place because now sulfuric acid group is going to be added. So this is again you write down the phenol group like this because phenol is going to be sulfur group is going to be add. This is the sulfonation reaction, students. So we have to start counting this from this. This is the ortho position. This is ortho. This is meta position, and this is para position. So name will be this ortho phenol sulfonic acid. Orthophenol sulfonic acid. This is the reaction. This is the sulfonation reaction which is taking place at 293 Kelvin. Now, students, sixth reaction of phenol is also there, students. That is, again we are going to do the sulfonation reaction. We are going to write down the sulfuric acid. This is the phenol, students. Now what happens, students? You are adding again concentrated sulfuric acid, but 373 Kelvin at high temperature. It will provide you this phenol will convert into paraphenol sulfuric acid. So this is the sulfonic acid, sulfonic group will add at this position. That is why it is called as what? Paraphenol sulfuric acid. So this is the product we are getting. Now, students, seventh reaction, students. This is the last reaction, students. When you this way we can identify between alcohol and phenol. This is the phenol. If you add FeCl3, if you get violet color, that means phenol is present. So from if it is not giving violet color, that means phenol is absent. So this way we can identify between alcohols and phenols. So this is very important reaction, students. This is very important reaction. Please, students, if you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.